apologies if I'm too blunt, me no mean to offend you, but there is no discussion of it, I am cooler than you. They fly me out for shows, then I do what I'm sent to, rapping for 1,000 babes packed inside a venue. I've been killing it for ages, always checking ages. If she ain't trying to fuck the first night, we're on different pages. We pregame, then we party, then the after party rages. After that is when the purple smoke billows up in hazes. I've been going hammy ham, chilling with a slammy slam. She could take a picture, just don't put that shit on Instagram. Of one night stands, I am a fan. All I do is wham and bam. Think I'm not the dopest, got me mixed up like an anagram. Drinking, smoking, now I got the spins like a merry-go. Feel like I'm the shit everywhere I go, but really you don't hear me though. This is like rap game, Tim Burton, scary flow. Got my shit lined up to go, I'm prepared to blow. Whoa. If you didn't know before, now you know I'm the motherfucking man. Watch me fuck around and blow it, make $1 billion before I go. See, that's the motherfucking plan. We be swapping hoes, you put a lock on those. Looking fresh about the 50s like the clock at froze. I got lots of flows, Mexico pistachios. Boy, I got 'em buzzing from the Bay to the Galapagos. Cheers. Now I've been slept on for years, that's a coma. Typically I fill my studio with tree aroma. Class comes easily, just like a free diploma. My money starts like yoga,